Caribbean rock. Stop! Because I don't think I have any more annual leave. What the hell? You lot got Alkaline. Do you know how long I've been dying to see him perform again? Listen, I talk about this all the time, but that New Rules concert in London, what?
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Saying that Alkaline used Mavado to bill himself, and then when Mavado cut in vex.
One eternity later. 2,000 years later.
All them a talk about in Rose Rice, them in house, them when buy and rare and when go to prison go spend how much in here. Can't they not really talk about nothing else, bro? Alkaline music have more substance.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So right now, evidence say Alkaline is key man a dancehall, you know. People are talk about Mavado. Mavado can't stay with him because a long time now hear a man say gully.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
One, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, there's no other. People, what go on? What not going with? Yeah, man, you don't know. Alkaline drop a song with you, people. You understand? Come tell them, you know, social media is just a bag of hype them run with. You see in the streets, is a total different energy. See? So look, you know, Alkaline drop a song named Better Body. And we are going to show you some people in the party and vibes today. You see? So look, you know, people, I'm going to play a clip. I couldn't see what I want. See? Hear what I want. Yeah, man, you don't know copyright. Yeah, man, people, but the vibes is there. You understand? Here what I want. Yo, I'm tell you, you see that song, yeah? A summer song. I'm kind of see the energy like girl good. See? Just wait, man. I'm not going to see what I want. And I'm nothing normal. You see me? You see, how Media Fox go to work, we don't run with hype. Reality we deal with. You understand? Yeah, man, because let me tell you this. Hype have a expiry date. You see me? Yeah, reality continues. You see it? Yo, all of the girl them, Vendetta girl them, all of the fan base them. Wanna say better body for you summer? Yeah, man, Dream Weekend songs, everything I go loud, place I go mash up. You see me? Yeah, man, better body, mash up a place in the street. Yo, that song you have a beat, you know, people. May I tell you, you know, the vibe just right. May I tell you, like, you can dance to the beat. May I tell you, Alkaline, yo, the man just sit down on the rhythm. May I tell you, the man know a flow, a new flow this with Alkaline. Remember me tell you this. You see me? The man a real musician. You see me? Yeah, man, I youth to take over summer. Girl good gone. Better body a reach. You see me? Alright now, people. Rasta go tell you what I want, you know. Seeing so, basically, you must say, yo, Alkaline use Mavado strength to build his career. But me go hear what I say.
Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and I don't know, sir. King Alpha, the overseer. Yes, no, man. But this morning I went on the internet and heard a little clap.
Yeah, man. Look like he might play the song in the background.
Saying that Alkaline used Mavado to bill himself, and then when Mavado cut in vex. Clap here where you come from.
Yo, let me tell you with them, man. You see, because Mavado and Cartel start linking, you know. Because I tell you already, you know. Them so obsessed with Alkaline, you know. So it's like anything them get. You see me? Seem like how them say, yo, the Mavado song and Cartel song are this Alkaline. Everything what them do. Them call Alkaline name. Yeah, man. I saw them stay. Move Alkaline career done cement already. The youth don't have him people and him fans them are ready before him move out the start link. You understand? See there? Him move out a link like that how them usually back in. The youth still a do him a do same way. Even bigger things. So me don't know Bill what. You understand? It's like it's a regular thing with artists. And artists just link up. What you mean by Mavado, Bill and Ray. At the time, the whole industry that fight the youth and them that try get Mavado for try this the youth and everything. But Mavado them time they members say yo, what seems so them usually do him when him and Bounty fall out. You understand? Them that try say my ton groupie and this and Ray and a bag of things. So Mavado na help Alkaline do anything. Right now, Alkaline active. You see me? I want the money in a dancehall right now. You see me? So Mavado don't have nothing to do with Alkaline career. Them usually power, them usually link. Not because a man and a man link make it. You understand? Vendetta. Gully. You see me? I just say things set, brother. You see it? Alkaline is a demon thing. Cause at the end of the day, you know, remember say the MVP thing. It was still the Vendetta, still the Gully. Who built that MVP thing? It's not Alkaline, it's not Mavado. Jamil come up with that name there now. You understand? And at the end of the day, the man them never join nothing. Jamil label it as that. The man them just know say, yo, them just at work together, share them apart, but Jamil have that MVP. So it's not Alkaline or Mavado build that something there. And at the end of the day, Jamil, we don't know what wrong with him cut and gone. You see me? So him gone with the MVP thing. With the name where him give. At the end of the day, a Vendetta is always there. You see me?
You see, in my sight, and when I sight up, Alkaline was doing better before Imam Mavado link.
Yes, like, come on. The youth been a Vendetta. The youth been a mash up the place. You understand? It's not like when Bounty Killer carry, highlight Mavado and carry up Mavado. Alkaline did done bust already and I mash up the place already, bro. You understand? It's not like I'm over to carry Alkaline at the scene. You see me? Alkaline done did I do what him do already. The youth build him thing. You see me? Yeah. It's just that Mavado did see what I go on at the time. And him say, yo, where the youth do them or where the youth right? You understand? And him just alright. Him and Alkaline start link. Him not have nothing to do with Alkaline career or build none.
And Alkaline still a do better without Mavado on him. Yes, I believe one of the slowest time of Alkaline career is when him and Mavado linking up. Yeah.
Slow. I'm not really sure about that, No slow in the rest, Alkaline is still active in the space. You see me? Still active in the space. Not really not slow. You see me? Alkaline still did put out music every little thing. Is it? Yeah, that's how I see it. Yeah. Cause right now in the space right now, Alkaline more active than Mavado in the space right now. I just saw it thing go. And over the past years as well.
If you take out the clash with him and the Six. You see me? So wanna come from with these stories say Alkaline use Mavado to build him career. It is nonsense. It is nonsense. You see, I and I don't really pick no artist in a dancehall, I am very neutral. And music, me say. And the culture me go for. You see what I say? Big up the Vibes Cartel, big up the Mavado. Big up all of the artists them. Beanie Man. You see what I say? Shaggy, Sean Paul. All of them. You see me? Sizzler, Captain, the whole of them. Valiant, Chronic Law, everybody in a dancehall. Big up all of the artists them. Because of the music, I and I rip. But it's nonsense to come out and I say, Alkaline, build him career, or look strength for Mavado. Nonsense. Alkaline was doing better before Mavado and split and still doing better right now. Alkaline is even more lively and still taking a lot of 2026 like me the predict already. Yeah, Alkaline doing it again. Doing it without Mavado. Mavado, big up yourself. Yeah, me artist too. But them out here talk nonsense. You see me? Yes, man.
You only have to talk, brother. You see me? As Alkaline always say, if him they sit down and chat up with them, he would be them favorite. You see me? Yeah, it's just that them sister the youth are the great and them can't get for program him or try get to him or you see what I'm saying? Yeah. So I just one of them thing there. Them are gonna say something where it don't even make any sense. Because if I that, when him and Mavado and to link, we would have seen the effect. The youth still a do him thing, the youth still a sell out shows, arena, everything seem a pull him crowd. So, I don't understand. Is it? But, mouth make for talk, you know, is it?
Big up yourself, Data Boss. Big up yourself, Alkaline.
People, down at Trinidad, me I tell you, girl go and mash up down there. So remember, you know, when him summer stage, you see me down at Trinidad, it got loud people, me I tell you. Girl go and I anthem down there right now. You understand? Cause look here now. We have summer stage of forward up. And the girl good challenge are going down there. Seeing and you don't know that August the 22nd. So look out for that. You see me? Vendetta boss I got there. So no year we go on. Yo, Jaja. Me I tell the people, you know normal. Alright. What call it? Black and white boss. You see me? You go make you hear what I go on.
That brother I say, basically I say all Cartel sing about is he rich and he Rose Rice and then he tell himself. Cartel let's one up there, sir. Cartel not have no song with uplift you. See only God and time, which God and time matter about just God business and really uplifting song that. You know no song for uplift the youth them. All them matter about when Rose Rice them in house them when buy and rare and when go prison go spend how much in here. Cartel not really talk about not there, sir, bro. Alkaline music have more substance. Massacre music have more substance, bro. I'm gonna listen to this scam artist there, because they're not sing about be a chopping and sing about and
Jaja. I tell the people. Yo, to me right now, Cartel just have to do what he can do right now, no, bro. I'm active on the media, you know. You see me? He have to do what he can do right now. You see, because at the end of the day, you know, so when it boil down to Vice Cartel, it's just about the hype and the media thing. You see me? Yeah, because you don't know. Film life is like a one book. You see me? So you might just do something and, you know, and him fans them out in the street. You know, do what them I do normally. Not really I support him the way I need to get the support. You see me? The more the support, like corruption and bring down and all of these things. You see me? But and everyone of them fans them stay static. I may have reason with, you know, bridging or so or people who know people where Red Cartel and thing and them not really steal like some of the people then. You see me? Just the hype and the thing, you see me? And when you say that some joke thing or something when I have to deal with dancehall, you understand? Yeah man, the hype and the social media thing, because remember said there was no social media and them thing the back in the days. We are at music we are talking about. You understand? Music. Seem like oh you don't know them a hype up the album and a bag of thing. You see me? Yeah. Anything with Vice Cartel, it's just about the hype. You see me? All when artists do it already, and when him finally come do it, you know them are gonna hype it up, make a big deal. You see me? I just them that. You see me? Them have to just do what them do best. You see it?
crown this and crown that and leech it. I don't listen to them and I dance a lot. But Massacre and Alkaline music have more substance, bro. Believe.
So right now evidence say Alkaline I key man a dancehall, you know. Evidence Alkaline I center attention, see?
Of course, Alkaline I center attention. Me tell people already, you know. People, last year, about 16 album drop. I said there was no album conversation. Imagine. I think last year release the most album, may I tell the people. I think this year you're gonna have so much album release. But there is a lot of album release last year. But yeah, about 16. I would never have the album talk like nobody never care about album and nobody care about buying album and stream album. Saying Vice Cartel drop Vikings. Right? And it go number 10 on the Billboard. I think them say it drop 980 it sell like that them say. Drop number 10. Zin? No album talk, nobody never read. Can remember in them times the YouTube streams did add on to the Billboard. See? Then you don't know Vice Cartel drop a next album. Heart and Soul. That one them sending to Grammy, cause I don't know him have a Grammy link, so him get nominated. See? Nobody don't know the album. First week sales, we don't know the numbers, it never hit the billboard. See? Every day them complain, oh, yo, nobody never knows how your album a job. Yo, that's not official album, that's how them use, you know, because you know why? It never have no big feature upon it and all of them look a thing there. See? Alkaline never dropped no album yet. So in 2026 now, Alkaline drop him album. You don't know, say that change and raise the bar now, you know. Seeing? Everybody have something to say. Alkaline, rare. Because Alkaline was the most anticipated album. You know, I'm going to tell you why. Remember, the Cartel dropped 2 albums last year. So then him been a drop album. Massacre drop album in 2023. Him drop a EP 2024, December. Alkaline last album release was 2021. So the most anticipated album would have been Alkaline. See? So when Alkaline drop album now, see? It raised everybody now. Because they want to compete with Alkaline now. So you know what got happen? The crooks them are going to roll out. The Gaza them are going to roll out. Because look, remember, you know, Cartel dropped 2 albums last year, you know, people. Them never care about it. This year now when Alkaline drop, remember, you know, at 3 days Alkaline do stream, you know, for the billboard, you know. And him still drop on the number 10 and still sell about 1,000 copy. Remember, you know, 3 days. See? Vice Cartel I do 7 days him a go do. We had do 3 days and we still hit the billboard. Shaggy do 7 days, sell 800 and still never hit the billboard with big promotion. See? So that's what I tell you. See with the Cartel thing, you know, I just hype and the competition thing, which competition is good, but me I try to show you say Alkaline make them up support Cartel with them album. Because if I never saw, them would have support the one them last year and send it go billboard and everything. But the excuse what them I use, oh, yo, the album they never official Ray, just a album we put out and Ray. Okay. But what's so special about this album and the last one? You know why to people? Them get them features on it. You see me? Because Vice Cartel can't carry an album by himself. Them know that. If you hear that, I just a collaboration them talk about on the album. Them not care about the rest of songs them. You understand? And you don't know the controversial thing with Mavado and Alkaline. And them a say, yo, Cartel a show shades and Ray. Cartel a go do him because you don't know. Him show him look a shots and Ray. Although him say him and a clash thing. I just feel him thing that. You see me? Yeah.
Because Vice Cartel been released from prison. The first show he did was Freedom Street. And if you remember good, Spice did do a freestyle him called Alkaline name. See? With Vice Cartel being released from prison, he been doing some interview. And if you notice in the interview, anytime them call Alkaline name, it's like the whole mood change. It's like him no want to say what him know to say, or him no know what to say. See? So as everybody I go say, Vice Cartel turn big man now and he not sing certain lyrics and he not sing this and he not sing that. So why you actually subs? You drop your album and you actually subs said way in our album.
Because the man a called, brother. You understand? We all know say him did a him a show him shades off of Alka in a prison. See? And so like Alkaline you have to understand, bro. When Vice Cartel the prison, you know, him see the artist them a do him thing a road, you know, bro. And him there prison, you know, brother. In a film man, you know, when him forward, you know, bro. He man say, yo, my time, you know, my hype, my everything right now. So I'm not give no man no strength or no clout off of what him a go do. You see me? Him no want to do that, brother. Him have to just chew in the towel and say, yo, him no war with kids are only Mavado. You see me? Just that, brother. But him a Mavado thing, bro. The McFarland van the same camp. I see him thing, brother, so. When him there prison, two of them talk and all of them look at thing that. You see, I know the people my pre Mavado and every look at thing. You see me? But Mavado have to just fight for him battle, you know. Cause all we know, the guys are not to rate him. You see me? But look, when them done use him and everything, then you see what I go and how them are going to deal with him. You understand? Because them a say, Cartel give him strength and I want to give him shows and all of them things. So, there's more to forward. You see me? At the end of the day, Alkaline a dim thing, Cartel a dim thing, Mavado a dim thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So, Alkaline now meets him, bro. You see me? Remember, I say Cartel dip on the internet every day, you know? You see me? Right now, I'm at work overtime right now. You see me? A bag of skit and I do a bag of video and every little thing to try go viral, to try stay in at the pace. I tell people, say, brother, Cartel us to live him life, bro. And him have to do what him have to do for stay in at the space, dog. Although he's an artist, and when it comes to music, we know say he's a man where him love that type of attention there. So he will do anything to gain the attention. You see me? Him not really focus on the music like that. You see it? You notice in a prison him get most of him accolades them and all of them things there because there's no other option. Him couldn't video himself and them little thing like when him like what him do now. So him have to just do music. You see it? So I just one of them thing there. You see it? All me say, me not have conversation with people that just talk about a bag of hype and them thing there, brother. You see me? Music what they for. Yeah man. So people, you don't know.
If there's a grown man, you would not throw no sub in a song. You that just do your song as you say God and time.
Yeah man. So people, big up on yourself, you know, just stay safe out there, you know, people. You see me? You don't know things that, you know, people. World Cup are forward, you know. You understand? And tune in. Cause look here now. Soon chop a video, you know. Everybody have to go tell me which side them are carrying. World Cup. You understand? Cause we're gonna have the World Cup. We're gonna have the World Cup vlogs, them and everything. So, when you have to go tell me which side you not pick. You see me? Cause you don't know about ball game set already. I want media facts on the app. That is it.